गुड मॉर्निंग स्टुडंट्स. आज आपण पाहणार आहोत एक्सरसाइज 2.5. एक्सरसाइज 2.5 मध्ये मी क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 घेणार आहे. फाइंड द व्हॅल्यूज ऑफ डिस्क्रिमिनंट. सो व्हॉट इज द डिस्क्रिमिनंट फर्स्ट? द डिस्क्रिमिनंट मीन्स व्हॉट? The b square minus 4ac's value is the discriminant. So we have to find this and this example b square minus 4ac's value. Okay, now चला तर मग बघूया आपण. फर्स्ट एक्झाम्पल मी घेतलेलं आहे क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 मधलं सेकंड एक्झाम्पल घेतलं आहे आणि ते आहे पहा 2y square minus 5y plus 10 is equal to 0. Okay, so in this example we see that first we have to compare this equation with ax square plus bx plus c. So comparing equation with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So if we compare this equation, then we get the a, b and c's value. So a is 2, b is equal to minus 5, c is equal to 10. So now we have to find out the b square minus 4ac. b square minus 4ac is equal to, so what is the b's value here? Minus 5 bracket square minus 4 multiply a that is the 2 multiply c 10. So b minus 5 square is 25 minus 4 2s are 8, 8 10s are 80. So we get the b square minus 4ac's value, that is the discriminant. So b square minus if we subtract this, then we get now this 5 and 8 minus 2 become 6. So minus 65 is the value of this, sorry 8 10 to 0 here 55. Okay, so the b square minus 4ac's value is minus 55. Now next example is also same. We have to again same, we find out the discriminant. So we compare first, comparing equation with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So a's value is root 2, b's value is 4, c's value is 2 root 2. Now we find out the b square minus 4ac. That's it, that is the discriminant. b square 4 square minus 4 multiply a, that is the root 2 multiply c 2 root 2. So if you square it, then we get 16, 4 square 16. Now 4 2s are 8 and root 2 multiply root 2 becomes 2. So 16 minus 16 we get 0. That is means b square minus 4ac value is 0. Okay, now in the next we have to find out the next question, that is the question number 4, because question number 3 is same as it is, it's very easy. So we take next question, question number 4, form quadratic equation. So how we can form them? From roots given below. Okay, so they give the roots alpha and beta. With the help of this alpha and beta we form the quadratic equation. म्हणजे आपल्याला quadratic equation तयार करायचं आहे. चला तर मी आपण म्हणूयात लेट अल्फा इज इक्वल टू 1/2 and beta is equal to minus 1/2. So if alpha is equal to 1/2 and beta is equal to minus 1/2, for this form of equation we need the required quadratic equation. We need the alpha plus beta and alpha into beta. So alpha plus beta first we find out. So what is the alpha plus beta? In this alpha plus beta means, see, half minus half, so it becomes 0. That is alpha plus beta become 0. Now we take alpha into beta. Alpha into beta is the, say, alpha, that is half multiply minus half, so it becomes half multiply minus half become minus 1 and 2 2s are 4. So alpha into beta is minus 1/4. Alpha into beta is equal to minus 1/4. Okay, this is alpha into beta, this is alpha plus beta. Now what is the required quadratic equation? So required quadratic equation is, so required quadratic equation is x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha into beta is equal to 0. Now we have to put the alpha plus beta and alpha into beta's value. So x square as it is minus alpha plus beta becomes 0. So here 0 x and alpha into beta is minus 1 upon 4 is equal to 0. That is our quadratic equation is x square minus 1 upon 4 is equal to 0. This is our quadratic equation, x square minus 1 upon 4. Now we see the next example, that is the fourth number example, 2 minus root 5 and 2 plus root 5. So let we consider them. Alpha is equal to 2 minus root 5 and beta is equal to 2 plus root 5. Now if alpha is equal to 2 minus root 5, then again we find out the alpha plus beta's value. So it is 2 minus root 5 plus 2 plus root 5. So see, minus root 5 plus root 5 get cancelled, means it becomes 0. So alpha plus beta's value become 2 plus 2, that is the 4. Okay, so alpha plus beta is 4. Now next we find out the alpha into beta. So we take them in bracket, root 5, 2 plus root 5. Okay, then we multiply them. 2 multiply 2, 4. 2 multiply root 5, that is the plus 2 root 5. Next root 5 multiply 2, that is minus 2 root 5. Root 5 multiply 5, that is minus root 25. Okay, so 4, this root 5 plus and minus become cancelled, it becomes 0. So we get 4 minus this root 25 means 5. So alpha into beta is equal to minus 1. Okay, so we get the both values, alpha plus beta and alpha into beta. Now what is the required equation? Required quadratic equation x square minus in bracket alpha plus beta x plus alpha into beta is equal to 0. Right now, so we put the values, x square, alpha plus beta value is 4, so minus 4x and here minus 1 is equal to 0. This is our quadratic equation.